welcome to Erin's Diary at Erin's Life. So for today's video guys, remember, I don't think so if everyone's watched this video, but I'm gonna fill this up guys, this one, the one that I put some accessories at. Yeah, well, I make this one guys para lagyan ng mga libro ko. Collected. Actually, it's not collected. It's not collection. But I own 2 books of Korean language learning self-study textbook. Yeah. First thing I do is put this one. Kasi sila yung malalaki. Kaya sila yung mauna. Yeah. Diyan ka lang muna kasi may pa akong lalaki. By the way guys, I collected some scratches. Well, it is a bond paper. It used to be the research project. So I collected some. Yeah. Now why? Because such a waste, you know. If you know, it's such a waste if you throw it. Yeah. I collected it. So the next thing I'm gonna put is this one. My bond papers and art papers. Yeah, it's art papers I've collected. Gonna put it there. Next one is some maps, collected maps and papers. Yeah. And the third one I'm gonna put is some vocabs, Korean vocabs. Here, that Korean vocabs. It's Korean vocabs, guys. The one that I collected back when I'm studying Korean language. So I'm gonna put that there. And last thing is some important docs. Yeah, I just wrote it down there, but don't mind. So third one, the last one I'm gonna put is this, some kids tales. And this one, I bought it back when I was in Manila. Yeah. I just love the title. Yeah. I don't really read it, but I haven't read it yet. I'm not done reading it yet. So I just bought some books back when I just roaming around Manila. So I picked this one. I picked them. So I'm gonna put it here. Put it there. And the next thing, also here, Korean backups. I also wrote here. Hey. Yeah, I almost done writing it, the whole page, but I'm not done. Yeah. sticky notes. I love sticky notes, that's why. I just put it randomly here because yeah, I just want them to be organized. Okay. Gonna put it there. And then also here some cards, blank cards. I just collected it because what if someday I can use it? So I'm just gonna put it there, and it just magnet chest. And put it here. I'm just gonna put it there. My bags, big bags. Put it here. Some dots. I also put some ball pens in it. Ball pens that I haven't used yet. So I'm gonna put it here. There. Also, ball pens that I used to use. Gonna put it here. Well, I just love recycling things. I don't want things to be, wasted. That's why. Pencil case that I made. Ball pens that I used for planning my contents, I guess. Yeah, I just use some different types of ball pens for every different types of works. Yeah, highlighter. I usually use Dong Fine Tech ball pens because I love them. But this video is not sponsored, guys. Remember. Yeah. Yes. And lastly, the stacks. I just want to put it here. Just put some my important docs, like this one. Password. Yeah, here. I think I'm gonna put it here. Here, I guess. That. So, it is all done. Such a mess, right? But yeah, I just want them to be, all my working stuffs here. Yeah, working. It's not really working. Yeah. So I guess this ends here. Let me just lock it. Let me just close it. Yeah. Here. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like and leave a comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that notification bell so you will get notified if I post another video here soon. So, I guess that's all. Bye Galaxy, 안녕. 안녕 Galaxy. I think 안녕 은하들. Well, let me just explain this real quick. Galaxy is an English, right? But Una is a Korean word for galaxy. That's why. Una de is, yeah, de is just a particles. I know. Yeah, de is for people. So I just add it. So, 안녕 Una de. Bye Galaxy. See you next vlog. Flying. Bye Galaxy.